I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the essentials. Turn on cellular data and confirm you have a data plan. Once done, open Settings, then Connections, and select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Mobile Hotspot to access its screen. This is where you control sharing. Set a clear network name so you recognize it quickly, and choose WPA2 or WPA3 security to protect your connection. These steps create the hotspot foundation and prevent unauthorized access while preparing your phone to now configure the practical settings that determine performance and security. Enter a recognizable SSID and a strong password with at least 8 characters. This prevents casual access. Next, pick the frequency band, choose 2. 4 GHz for broader range, or 5 GHz for faster speeds when close by. If you want control, enable the auto-disable timer or set a device limit so battery and data aren't drained. These choices balance speed, range, and security, so pick what matches your immediate needs. Finish by connecting client devices. Select the hotspot SSID on the other device, enter the password, and confirm the internet indicator appears. If performance is poor, try switching bands, move devices closer, or toggle the hotspot off and on. This clears temporary radio issues. If connections fail repeatedly, restart your phone, then check for carrier restrictions. As a last resort, reset network settings. Do this only after saving Wi-Fi passwords, because it removes saved networks and Bluetooth pairings. That resolves most stubborn problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.